So the Ray and Neville Contender Boxing Series resumes tonight with the Jamaican Richard Frog Holmes facing the Canadian Mike Breton right here in Kingston, Jamaica, the only country in the entire world where the home crowd boo the home boxer. Oh yes, generally in boxing, they have a thing named hometown decisions. We don't believe in that here in Jamaica. With our tourist culture, we believe in awarding all the close fights to the foreigners. That's why Tetsu Davis get booed last week. And I know Jamaican boxing fans vex and a huff and a puff say Tetsu the Jamaican get the fight. Them say it's the white man should have get the fight. It don't make no sense. Tell Jamaicans about Floyd Mayweather Jr., who lives in Las Vegas and also fights the majority of his fights in Las Vegas. Jamaican boxing fans cannot see the connection between Mayweather living and fighting in Las Vegas and never losing a fight. We do things the opposite way. We cheer for the foreigners and boo the Jamaicans. Well, you see like how the home crowd vexed about what happened last week with Tetsu and the foreigner. They well want a foreign victory. So Frog Holmes, don't take no chance. Don't leave it to the judges. You have to knock out this Canadian boxer. Yes, yes, yes. To avoid the boos. You have to knock him out. If you knock him out, Frog Holmes, them cannot boo you. Oh, yes. This is a Jamaican crowd. It is not a home crowd. So knock him out, Frog. Yes, knock him out.